Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor, and today I'll be teaching you about trendline trading method. There are many strategies to be a profitable trader as a forex trader. I'll also be teaching us about Elliott wave theory in all my other courses. In 1960 to 1980, technical analysis and trendline became more popular and widely used in trading. And today, in 1920s, 1900s to 2000, trading software and online platform made it easy to draw trendline and use trendline in trading. Presently, trendlines are fundamental use in technical analysis and are used by traders worldwide in various financial markets. No matter what market you trade, either you are a fundamental or technical analysis. In order to understand what is happening in the market, you must be able to know how to use trendline. The goals and importance of trendline is trading. As a trader, your goals, the reason why we use trendline, why you must know how to plot trendline in major key levels is: number one, identify the direction and strength of the trend. Number two, detect potential areas of support and resistance. Number three, determine entry and exit of the trades. Trendline can be used to define uptrend and downtrend. What does it mean? When you are using trendline, we use trendline to determine either market is buying or selling. Number two, identify potential breakout points. What does it mean? It simply means that when you are using trendline, it helps us to understand either market is changing directions from buy to sell or from to sideways. Number three, confirm trend reversals. Trendline indicator is one of the tools that help us to understand the market trend has happened. That is, if market is buying for a long period of time and it changes to sell, trendline help us to understand. The fourth one, which is another important point, trendline also help us to provide stop loss and take profit. I've designed this course to help you as a beginner to understand step by step on how to understand trendline trading in order to use it to be a profitable trader. The modules will be in 4 modules. Module 1 will be introduction to trendline. What is trendline? Importance of trendline in technical analysis. Brief history of trendline, which is module 1. Module 2 we discuss about understanding trend lines. What are trend lines? Types of trend line: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. How to draw trend line: manual, automatic methods. The module 3 and module 4. Module 3 I'll be talking about identifying trendline patterns. Common trendline patterns such as wedges, channels, triangles. How to recognize and interpret these patterns. Because if you can understand and interpret every chart patterns in the market, that one gives you an opportunity to be a profitable trader. Module 4 will be trendline breakout strategy. There is a simple strategy that I will be teaching you in this course, which is trendline breakout strategy. If you can watch to the end, you will understand. By the end, you will understand what this strategy is all about. How to identify potential breakouts, entry and exit strategy for breakouts. If you can watch this module to the end, by the end of this lecture, you too will be able to go into the live market by yourself, understand what trendline is all about, how to plot trendline to major key levels, the ability to plot your own personal key levels of trendline, and know what is happening in the market, whether market is trending or not. Without further ado, let's go to the lecture for today. What is trendline? Trendline is a trading technical analysis approach used in financial. Trendline trading is a technical analysis approach used in financial market to identify and follow the directions of the market. Why we use trendline is, as a trader, you need to understand where market is going, what is moving the market. Is market buying or selling or ranging? What does it mean for market to range? It means that when market is moving sideways, that is, market neither buy or nor sell. It also involves drawing lines on the chart to connect a series of high or lows, creating a visual representation of the trends, including upward trend line. Upward trend line, these are connect of series of higher high and higher lows. Downward trend line connect a series of lower high and lower low. Sideways trend line, these are trend line that connect similar of higher highs and low lows. Higher high and low lows. So with this one, for us to understand what is happening in the market, we now go into the live chart to go and understand what is actually happening in the market space. Please click the like button. If you enjoy my teaching, please click the like button. Follow me for more. Drop your comments below. Support me. Thank you. Let's go to live chat to go and understand what I've been explaining since morning. Welcome back. All right, and welcome back. Now, this is live chart. This is GBP USD. And how do I plot my trend line? It's as easy as ABC. I've already selected the tools that are important to me. But you, if you are a fresher, as a new trader, you don't understand, this is the easiest place. This is the tool icon to pick your usable tools, and I've already picked mine and start them in order to select them. So without further ado, let me teach you how to plot your key levels. You can see now, voila. Now this is a perfect trend line. You can see that from this trend line I'm drawing, this is GBP USD in monthly time frame, and you can see that market actually is doing what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So which means that market has been selling. GBP USD has been selling since 2015. Market has been selling since 2015 with perfect higher high, higher low. This is higher high, and this is higher low. This is higher high, this is higher low, and this is higher high, oh sorry, this is lower high, this is GBP USD, so this is lower high and this is lower low. This is lower low, and this is lower high, and this is lower low. This is lower high, and this is lower low, and this is lower high. So from this market structure I just picked now, it means simply shows, this analysis simply shows us that GBP USD has been selling since 2015, and this is lower high, lower low. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So market has been buying, selling. GBP USD has been selling since 2015, and that is the simple basic of market structure. Understand these major key levels will help you to understand what is actually happening in the market space from the biggest perspective. And we can easily see that market has been, when market reach this trend line, it pulled back. When it reach this trend line, it pulled back. This is the touch of the trend line, which is the one of an amazing opportunity. In this is a third of the trend line, and the market will be a determinant factor to teach us what will be happening in the market. And from the way I show you in the slide, which is important of trend line help us to understand whether we are in the sell market or in a buy market. From this basic analysis, it simply shows us that in the monthly time frame of GBP USD from 2015, we can boldly say that on monthly time frame, market has been selling. But if market breaks this structure this year, if market breaks this structure this year, if market breaks this structure up, retest, then it means that GBP USD will move to another key zones entirely, which is buy market for monthly time frame. But at now, market has reached major key levels, and that's one of the things that will help you to navigate your steps in the market as a trader. Now, if you move to lower time frames such as weekly and daily, we can easily see that in weekly and daily, GBP USD has been buying. GBP USD has been buying since September 2022. So GBP USD has been buying, and this give us the clue of what is actually happening in the market. And this is the daily time frame. In the daily time frame also, GBP USD has been buying, but currently market has reached a major key zones in the monthly time frame and is reacting to these key levels. Market is reacting. So in the next episode, in the next course I'll be talking extensively about candlestick. Please subscribe, click the like button, on your notification, so that when I drop another analysis or another course, you'll be able to understand and follow me. If you have any comments, please drop it below. So understanding what is happening in higher time frame through trend line will give you the ability to navigate yourself in the market. And as you finish watching this course, I would like you to go into your chart right away and go and find out about trend line. Go and plot your own trend line. Don't just watch and practice. It is when you watch and you practice that you'll be able to understand what is happening in the market. So let's go back to our level. So I've explained the history, then what are trend lines, types of trend line. Wonderful. In the monthly time frame, we have different types of trend line. We have upward trend line, in which when market is buying and buying and buying. But from monthly time frame, we can easily see that our monthly time frame analysis shows us that market is already in downtrend. That is, GBP USD has been selling since 2015. Market, we have downtrend, and we also have the third one. We also have sideways market. What does it mean for a market to be in sideways? Let me quickly clear this one off and plot the key levels for sideways. For example, from here to here is sideways market. Voila, we can easily see from here to here, this is daily time frame. That is from December 2023, from December 2024 to April 2024. GBP USD has been a sideways market. That is, it neither buy nor sell, and market has been ranging. That is, it has been forming lower high and equal low. So sideways market, GBP USD has been doing sideways market until May of this year. So these are sideways market. In sideways market, there will usually be a lot of market manipulation, because market, both the seller and the buyer have a strong purchasing power in the market space. During this time, we usually, if you see this chart in 5 minutes, 1 minute, or 3 minutes, please stay away from such market, because most of the time that market is always full of manipulation, except you want to be a scalper. So also later I will talk about who is a scalper, what or does it mean to be a scalper, because we have different type of traders. You can be a day trader, you can be a swing trader, you can be a scalper, you can be intraday trader. For example, me now, I'm a swing trader. I trade weekly and daily, depending on the nature of the market. I hope you have learned one or two things. Then the last one that I will be talking about here, different types of chart patterns. Trendline, there is no chart patterns without trendline. What does it mean? Every chart patterns are formed through trend line. Every chart patterns are formed through trend line. When trend line form, now this trend line you are seeing here is called downtrend, is called uptrend, trend line. So it's called triangle trend line. This is triangle trend line. We also have another, this is triangle trend line. You can easily see that when triangle form, market break out here and it begins to sell, it begins to buy. Market was buying and buying and buying. So also we also have falling wedge. Falling wedge, this is falling wedge. Voila. So falling wedge, market was moving downtrend, but it broke out here at major key levels of 1.2600, and market was buying again. So this is falling wedge. You can see that the uptrend trend line, they were two, and they meet at a specific point and there was a breakout. This is a strategy for breakout for chart patterns. This is a falling wedge breakout chart patterns. We also have trend line trading strategy for breakout. In the next module, I will be talking extensively on how to trade through trendline breakout strategy. But right now, you can easily see that market broke out of this trend line, retest, and market changes from sell to buy. Market changes completely from sell side to buy side. So understanding how this market moved through the use of trend line will help you to be a profitable trader. Please, if you have any question, if there's any additional, please let me know in your comment section. Thank you.